Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, today's video is a sponsored video. Yay, I got a sponsored video. And I'm going to go into a little bit about this first aid kit, as you saw from the title. I'm going to go a little bit into it and a little bit about my history, a little bit about the company, and I'm going to tell you my honest feelings on this first aid kit. That being said, they did send this to me for free, but they did not tell me what to say. And I'm going to go through this kit a little bit. I'm not going to go into every item that's in it. So let's get started. Okay, if you're new to this channel, you may not know who I am. My name is Chris. I am That Hiking Guy, and I'm a backpacker, truck camper, all around. I love the outdoors. I love doing things outdoors. That being said, I'm also a nurse, which not even a lot of my subscribers may know. So I am actually a nurse. I don't practice right now. I don't take care of patients, but I have in the past. Now, does that give me any credibility to talk about a first aid kit? Maybe a little, maybe just the fact that I can recognize quality when I see it, or I can recognize cheap junk. So, that being said, that is my history. That is why I wanted to mention that, just because I know what good stuff looks like. I've used medical supplies throughout my entire nursing career. So let's get started on the company now. Okay, so the company is called Surviveware. It's a husband and wife team, basically, who started the company, and they sell first aid supplies. They do a lot for charity, and they do things for veterans. They're both passionate about the outdoors, which I love. I love a company that will back what they do with the activity that it's for. And I wanted to thank Amanda for sending me this kit to review. I can also offer you guys a 10% discount code at the end of this video, and there's a link you can follow. It's an Amazon affiliate link if you're so inclined, or if you just want to go to the website surviveware.com, that's fine too. Doesn't cost you any more to use my link, and I get a few pennies whenever you order. So let's get started with the kit. Okay, so here is the bag. It is a 600D polyester bag. It's one of the toughest on the market according to their website. And you've got a handle here, you've got a handle here, you've got really strong zipper pulls. I don't know that they're YKK, it doesn't say that on them, but they are pretty sturdy. And on the back here, it's interesting, they have this MOLLE system that this can connect to your headrest. It's got two D-rings, or you can hang it on a hook. But also, if you don't want to put it on your headrest, or if you don't want to put it on like a Jeep roll bar, you can take this MOLLE system off, and the hook part of the hook and loop of Velcro is on the back. So you could actually take this and put it in the trunk of your car, and you could Velcro it to the carpet, and it wouldn't move around when you're in motion. That is pretty innovative, I think, pretty awesome. So that is the outside of the bag. Now let's go to the contents. Okay, so once again, this is the large pack. I got the large pack, and there's a reason I got the large pack, and I'll show you why here in just a second. So I got the large pack because it also comes with a smaller pack that you can, a travel pack that you can put in your backpack if needed. I did need one. I had one, but this will let me take more stuff than I was taking. Now, I'm just going to go through an overview of stuff. I'm not going to go through each individual item because that would make a 17-minute long video, and I don't want to do that. So, over on this side, you've got some shears, emergency blanket, hygiene stuff, gloves, burn cream. You got some really quality tweezers here. Fever scan strips, CPR kits, triangular bandages. You've got a look at this this splint. The splint is pretty much quality right here. Ace bandage, deforming bandages. And what I like about this is everything is organized. I know if you've ever seen a video about this company, it's basically one of their best assets is that they do label everything. Being a nurse, I can't tell you how many times I've gone to look in a med closet for something, or a supply closet, and nothing is labeled. Here, you don't waste precious time looking for stuff. You know exactly where it is, and I like that about this, because when seconds count, you've got to get the stuff and get with the first aid. On this side, they give you a space. First of all, they give you a comprehensive first aid booklet. They give you extra bags. This is an instant ice pack. They give you a extra bag for personal medications. Now, one con I will say for this kit is that I wish they had included some over-the-counter medicines like aspirin, ibuprofen, Benadryl, because 2 weeks ago I could have used some Benadryl when I got bit by a spider. In fact, I went to this kit to see if there was any in it, and I was disappointed that there wasn't. But they do give you a space to fill it up yourself, so my bad. I should have planned ahead. But I am just real impressed with, there's a little whistle, a little survival whistle. I'm just real impressed with the amount of space, the number of items. There's 200 items in here, according to their website. I like this large kit. Now, this is not the only kit that they sell, but this is, like I said, I chose this one because it had this. So you can find out more about their kits on their website. But yeah, this is, that's it. I mean, this is the summary of things that are in this. iPads, cotton gauze, combined dressings, non-adherent wound closures, even wound closures. Steri strips and stuff. So, I'm pretty impressed with it, I have to say. Okay, so there you have it. Those are just an overview of the contents of the pack. I'm kind of embarrassed because prior to them reaching out to me, I did not have a pack for the truck. I had one for my backpack, but even it was lacking. So I'm glad that they reached out to me, and now I have a kit for my truck. I have a better kit for my backpack, and I can be safe when I'm out adventuring. So look them up, surviveware.com, and if you're interested, I'll leave the affiliate link in the description below. I will also leave the discount code. It's 10% off, but 10% is 10%. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. They do have a listing of what is in each kit on the website as well. So get out there and explore, and we'll see you later. Peace.